This year is starting strong with my first Influenster product sent complimentary for an honest review. This is the new Clinique Take the Day Off Facial Cleansing Mousse. This silky mousse cleanser removes makeup, sunscreen, and oil for a clean, refreshed skin. It has 4.2 fluid ounces and retails for $32. Oil-free and fragrance-free, it lathers up quickly and a little bit goes a long way. My skin type is a combo and I'm feeling my face clean and soft without drying it out. It does feel a little bit more on the heavy-duty side of a cleanser compared to some other products I normally use. Personally, I will incorporate this in my routine once a day, but it says it can be used day and night. This is really up to you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I would like to know, are you interested in picking this up from the store?